I get this question all the time. Stefan, how many suits do you have? Well, gentlemen, in today's video I am not only going to give you the answer as to how many suits you should have in your wardrobe, tailored for your personality and style, but I will also tell you exactly which suits you should buy to give you the best bang for your buck. First off, before we begin, you must understand that there's 4 categories of men and we have to determine in which one you belong. These will determine your needs based on your lifestyle, past experiences, and preferences. Category number 1, the beginner. Now, unless you are 13 or have lived in the woods for most of your life, you probably already own a suit. Every man has to own a suit. Before we get into it, I would like to address the biggest misconception in the world of style for men. This is a mistake I see so many young men do, and I do not want you to fall for it. Your first suit should under no circumstances be black. No matter how much Steve Harvey promotes it, black is simply not as versatile as other colors. Such garment should not be worn on day-to-day occasions, but rather just for funerals or for protecting the president. Even at black tie events, you should go in a tuxedo, not in a suit. And guess what? At funerals, you can also wear a dark gray suit. So really, there is no need for the black suit. They are extremely overrated, and every man who knows something about style will scoff when they will see you wearing one. Why? Well, simply because they are the #1 choice of novices, and a stylish man would know that. So what color should you buy? Well, the first thing I'm gonna tell you is that it has to be a dark color. You see, lighter colors and pastels are great for summery, daytime occasions, but you will probably have to go on more formal occasions, such as events, business meetings, and nighttime dates. They will all require a dark suit. I would personally recommend going for a notch lapel suit with medium width, double vented, and in either dark gray, medium gray, or dark navy blue. To be more specific, I think it should be dark gray. It's perfect for all the occasions mentioned above, funerals, as well as parties, and not many guys are wearing them. There is a sea out there of black and navy suits, but not so much of dark gray ones. Category number 2, the casual wearer. Now this is the minimum, and I do bare minimum amount of suits that any self-respecting man would have. If you do not necessarily like wearing a suit, but you have to every now and then for your job or for special events, then 3 is your number. These 3 should be in the following order: a dark suit in either dark gray, navy, or brown, a lighter suit in either cream, white, tan, or light gray, or light blue for daytime activities and for hot summer days, and finally a tuxedo that you will wear for black tie events and other very formal gatherings. Now, the characteristics from the previous point still apply, but I encourage you to go for peak lapels rather than notch ones. Now, some of you might be questioning what the difference between peak lapels and notch lapels is. Well, there are 3 types of lapels when it comes to men's suits: the peak lapel, the notch lapel, and the shoal lapel. Notch lapels are by far the most popular ones and are featured in about 80% of all suits. While it is perfectly okay to wear them, and I'm even wearing one right now, wearing just notch lapels will signify that you're a man who does not care that much about suits or classic menswear in general. Peak lapels, on the other hand, are a bit more formal, and they feature a pointy lapel instead of the normal notch one. They usually appear in double-breasted suits or in tuxedos. This is not a rule, however, as normal suits also can be with peak lapels. A famous character that almost always wears peak lapels is Harvey Specter from the TV show Suits. Finally, shawl lapels feature a smooth lapel, and they are usually reserved for tuxedos. Number 3. The businessman. This category is made for the people who have to wear a suit as part of their outfit every single day for work. Now, since you can combine different items such as shoes, shirts, and accessories in many different combinations, it is safe to assume that 7 suits will suffice. So what suits should you own? Well, by now I've probably already given you an idea, but I would like to give you my personal list if I was in your place. First off, I'd like to start out with a dark gray suit with peak lapels. I can wear this for the most important business meetings and always turn heads in the office and on the street. Second, I'd get a navy 3-piece suit with peak lapels as well. This one I can wear whenever I'm not wearing the dark gray one. The third suit I would get is a business one in a not so common color. A color that not many men wear. It looks elegant and sophisticated. You can get this in either peak lapels or notch lapels. Next up, I would recommend you get a double-breasted suit with pinstripes. You can get this in either dark gray or navy, and the pinstripes should be white. Emerald green could be another option. This one will allow you to switch up a bit from the day-to-day monotony. Your fifth suit should be made from a thinner fabric such as linen and in a lighter color such as a pastel that could be perfect for summer days. Your sixth suit is a tuxedo. Every man needs one. And your final suit should be one of the suits that you already have from the list, one that you're constantly wearing and that you like very much and it fits your style. Yet another similar one, but change one detail about it. For example, the color, the pattern, or the fabric. And category number 4, the dandy. A dandy is a person who dresses well not because they have to, but rather because they enjoy the sartorial experience. Such men enjoy the more refined pleasures of life, such as dressing in casual menswear, driving vintage cars, or engaging in upper-class activities such as polo or cricket. Such a man who dresses well because they enjoy the art of it can have from anywhere from 10 to an unlimited amount of suits. At this point, you are free to experiment with different fabrics and colors, patterns and designs, and create a wardrobe that would wow even James Bond. And naturally, suits are not the only item that you should have in your wardrobe. You should also have the 9 old money fall essentials that you can find in this video.